Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Deyga products and I am going to show you today anti-dandruff oil. I have been approached by the brand and we have collaborated for the products, and one of them is anti-dandruff oil, which was sent to me like a month ago, and I did not had much time that time, but I have been using this oil like 2-3 times and I have really liked it. So I thought let's give it a try and show you guys the result. And this is in a plastic bottle and its MRP is about 550 rupees and it's in 100 ml amount. It's pure handcrafted and natural oil, and it contains a lot of ingredients, which includes neem seed oil, coconut oil, castor oil, sunflower seed, fenugreek, and so many things, neem leaf, amla. So these things I really liked in the ingredients and thought of giving it a try. So you can see this is my unwashed hair, and because I did recently 4 months back like keratin treatment, so my hair texture is almost fine, but I have an issue of an oily dandruff. I don't have a dry dandruff but oily dandruff scalp, and this oil was the perfect combination for me to use it, so I wanted to give it a try. So it has this cap and which has small bars. I have cut it from above so that the oil can come properly. You just have to squeeze it and it will come out on wherever desired place you want to apply it. So I am just going to randomly partition my hair and put the oil directly on the roots. It's more helpful in this way. So I was just trying to find out the way, and you just have to squeeze the bottle. As it is a plastic bottle, it's easier to apply as well. The best part of this oil, which I really liked, is the ingredients in it, which I usually used to do before, and separately adding them together, and it is a huge task which I can get in this same oil. Another thing which I really liked in it is that you just have to apply it on the scalp and massage gently, and then you have to wait for like 1 hour or something like that and just wash it off. It's better if you wash it off like after an with a good warm water. As I was applying, and you can also see that it is a thick oil, so it does not look too oily even after when you massage. And while giving a good massage to your scalp, your blood circulation also increases, and it also helps in your removal of dandruff. So smell wise, it was obviously not a very great smelling oil, as you know the ingredients in it, but all in all I was liking it. It is a thick oil and it was not flowing anywhere, and my hair was so dry. I think they were absorbing the oil like anything. So on the back side also, quickly I just randomly partitioned and applied the oil. Even the size of the bottle, I am very sure it is very travel friendly as well, though I know it's ironic to say right now about traveling, but it's really nice to have such a lightweight bottle and so friendly that you can carry it around anywhere. One more thing which I would like to tell is that it's cruelty free, it's handmade, made in India, no colors or preservative added, patch test obviously recommended, we should actually do it, and it's recyclable. So made in India brand, that is one of the best thing. I also liked it because when the brand approached me, I researched for it and looked that it's a natural handcrafted and an Indian brand. I wanted to give a I always want to encourage Indian brands, so this is how we are gonna do it. So I really like a good head massage, and I just don't rub my fingers all around. I just press with my fingertips and give a good massage to my head. And it is better if somebody else can give it, but then I don't have another pair of hand, so I utilize my own. Don't be too much hard on your hair, because dandruff also tends to make your hair fall. And since the time I have moved to a new place, I was having a hair fall problem as well, but now it has decreased a lot after using this oil. So this is what I am doing. If you guys want to know anything about keratin treatment, it's been 4 months and I still have the keratin uh, effect on my hair, and I am taking good care of my hair. So if anybody wants to know anything, comment down below and I will do a video for you. So after that, pushing all the oil in my roots, I just taken some sections, and now I'm applying very little amount on my hair. As you can see, it's a very thick oil, and it was not flowing anywhere. That was the best part. I really don't like the oil which go here and there. And I also applied additional oil at the ends, because that is the part of your hair which is the oldest one and needs the most conditioning and care. So never forget to actually oil your ends, because you get a lot of split ends and dryness on the outer end of your hair. So now I just tied it. I'll be roaming here and there, and to be very frank, I applied it for like 6-7 hours. I applied it around 12 o'clock and I washed my hair in the evening. So you will see, and now you will see the results. So I just washed my hair. It's already night, 8 o'clock, and you can see I have used shampoo, which is my keratin treatment shampoo, and the conditioner. And after that, I will just blow dry my hair with cold air, not the hot air. Cold air. Always blow dry your hair with cold air. Please never use a hot hair dryer, because it's obviously damages your hair. When your hair is too wet, that time you can obviously use hair dryer like that, but never use it on your hair, because all the effect which we have created with the oil, it will also go. So make sure that you don't dry your hair, because hot air will obviously tend to again dry your scalp, and again you will get a lot of dandruff. So we do not want to take the effect. I'm just slightly using the hair dryer. So after finishing it, you can already see that my hair looking already shiny, beautiful, bouncy, and they were so soft. While even washing, I could make out that my hair were looking strong and thick. That hair texture has already changed, and as I have used it like 4 or 5 times, slowly after every wash, my dandruff problem is also going. Otherwise, on a second or third day, I usually tend to get my dandruff back, but now you can see the scalp is so clean and clear. So this is what is the result after getting my hair dry, and they're so straight, smooth. And this is not just that I have collaborated with the brand, so I am telling you, you can see with your own eyes. I have not used any ironing machine or anything, and you can see how beautiful they look, how luscious volume, and every strand is separate. The hair look thick, and now you can see the ends as well. They are so lively. So all in all, I really like the product. The only thing which I did not like is the smell, because it has the ingredients and it is handmade. It is not artificial, it is natural. So it is but obvious that smell will be there. So hope you guys have liked my take on this and you would buy this. Bye bye. Take care.